Alright, so if you're here, you want to learn Bruce Lee's famous sidekick. He's known for his 1-inch punch, but he's also known for his sidekick. He had a really powerful sidekick, and the thing about Bruce Lee that I think resonated with so many people is he wasn't just a martial artist. You know, the way he thought, the way his mindset was. You know, he always had an interesting way of looking at the world that I think was ahead of his time. Okay, but today we're gonna break down his sidekick. How do you do it? I'm gonna show you. So the first thing about this sidekick is he had a wide stance, okay? So it was a way to really kind of bounce and get that momentum, because there's a pick up turn. So it's step through, pick up turn. I'm gonna try to slow it down as much as possible. But the way he did this is he had a skip to it. There wasn't just the side kick, and he pulls his hips out. You want to turn your hips. Ah. Ha. Okay? So the skip and the hips turning is what I think really gave the power, and then you had the momentum of your body moving forward. Okay? So you had the skip, the momentum, turning your hips, and then just shooting that kick out hard as you can. The thing about Bruce Lee, he just had, I would say, the full package. He was in tremendous shape. He trained all the time. His mindset was of something you didn't see. The interviews he did, he wasn't just some martial artist. He wasn't just an actor. You know, he had a deep, rich understanding, I think, of life. In his short years, I think he experienced a lot. So it made him so much more. You know, he had the looks, he had the charisma, he had the talent. And when you have that type of package, it's hard for the world to deny you. You know, not allowing things to get in his way. Always keeping, I think, a positive attitude. Now, I don't know him personally. I ain't never met him. But the way he talks and the way he was presented was that. You want to kick with the ball of your foot. So when I come in, it's now we're going to do one full power. Hit the wall. If you guys enjoyed that, like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. If you want to see more videos like this, click right here. If you want to see me in action, click right here. Subscribe, and if you just want to watch some TV or film, click right here.